Hey folks, welcome to 8181 IT. My name is Savio, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to install Windows 10 using a boot USB drive, and we are going to install it on a desktop computer that has no operating system. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, what we need to do is we need to install this program called Rufus. You can install the portable version of Rufus, or you can install just Rufus. After installing Rufus, also make sure you have an ISO of Windows 10. And I want to stress in this video that the ISO does not come with a product key. You have to purchase a product key from Microsoft if you want to use Windows. I have this ISO over here which I've downloaded. All I need to do is drop it in Rufus and it will automatically populate what it needs doing. Okay, so I'm gonna do a partition of MBR and everything else looks good, and all I need to do, let me just check if this is okay. That's fine. So it comes up over here. As you can see, those are my settings. Windows 10 21HD, okay, standard Windows installation, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to do start, and I'm just going to have to so does that warn you as well that all the data on the drive will be destroyed. If you have any data on the drive, make sure you save it or do a backup elsewhere, and it's going to format the drive. Okay, so as you can see here, it's doing its thing, and it's right now creating a file, and now it's copying the ISO. Okay folks, this is what you need to see once Rufus has done its thing of creating the USB as a boot USB. It has to complete successfully, and as you can see, it's ready. Once you get that notification that it is ready, all you gotta do is make sure you close the application, okay, and eject the USB drive. Once the drive has been ejected, get to the desktop that has no operating system and insert the USB drive into the USB slot, like so. What you're gonna see on the monitor is this message here: no boot device found, press any key to reboot the machine. I'm going to reboot this machine because obviously there's no operating system, and in order for me to boot into the USB bootable drive, I have to press F12. So I'm going to press any key for now. Once I press any key, I'm going to press on my F12, okay? So I'm going to keep pressing it like so. So you're going to see a whole bunch of legacy boots. Okay, so I press F12 and I get to this screen here, legacy boot. Okay, so that's USB storage drive, CD drive, onboard NIC. So Samsung SSD is the hard drive that's been installed, and it has no operating system on it. So we need to click on this one, which is USB storage device. Let's check it out and see if that works. And there you see, it is loading in Windows, which is taking information from the USB bootable drive that we just booted from. Okay, just click on next, and you want to install now. So you click on install now, and it comes up as setup is starting, which is what you want to see. And of course, you have to activate Windows. Let me stress again, you have to purchase a activation key or product key from Microsoft and enter it in over here. Once you purchase that product key, that's when Windows will be activated. Okay, so that's what you need to do. And there's also an option here that says I don't have a product key, so I'm going to click on that because at the moment I have a product key, but for the purpose of this video and tutorial, I won't be using it. So I'm going to click on here. It gives you different options: Windows 10 Pro for workstations, Windows 10 Pro and for workstations, etc., etc. So on the next screen, once you enter the product key, select the operating system you want to install. if you want to click Windows 10 Pro, you can do that as well. So I'm going to click on Windows 10 Pro and I'm going to click on Next. And you can also do custom. Okay, so when you do custom over here, it gives you how much drive space is over here. Okay, and this you can leave as is. You can always, once the operating system has been installed and you've got all your drivers installed, etc., then you can go into disk management and configure it based on what size you want it. Okay, so for now I'm going to leave it as unallocated space. It's 500 gigabytes of solid state drive, and I'm going to leave it as is. So click on Next, and now it's going to start with the copying of files, Windows files, getting files ready for installation, installing features, installing updates, finishing up, etc. So that's pretty much it, how you install Windows. Once this completes, it's going to have Windows installed, and the next time I boot up the desktop computer, I'm going to get directly into Windows without it prompting me or telling me that, hey, there's no operating system installed. So folks, that's how you install Windows 10 on, or any other Windows. You know, you can do the same for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. That's how you do it if you don't have an operating system on your desktop. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hope to speak to you soon in one of my next videos. Bye for now.